keeping the kidneys healthy and maintaining a good health. The kidneys are one of the organs of elimination in our body. They are about the size of the fist, bean-shaped, and they are located on both sides of the spine, just below the rib cage. A healthy kidney filters about half a cup of blood every minute, removing wastes and extra water to make urine. They also remove acids that are produced by the cells of the body and maintain a healthy balance between salt, water, and minerals, such as sodium, potassium, calcium, and phosphorus in the blood. Without this balance, nerves, muscles, and other organs in the body may not work properly. The kidneys also produce hormones that regulates blood pressure, produce red blood cells, and keep the bones strong and healthy. People likely to develop kidney diseases: people with diabetes, people with high blood pressure, people with heart disease, and a family history of kidney failure. So, how do we keep a healthy kidney? Some diseased kidneys are as a result of underlying disease conditions. So, the first step to keeping a healthy kidney is to treat underlying disease conditions. 2. Make healthy food choices. 3. Ensure to maintain regular exercise. 4. Maintain a healthy weight. How do you know you are maintaining a healthy weight? You must check your weight as compared to your height and calculate the BMI. If you don't know how, meet a health practitioner who would help you to make the calculation and tell you if you are in the right weight bracket. Get enough sleep, about 7 to 8 hours of sleep in 24 hours. Stop smoking, as smoking has been proven to be unhealthy for the body and as such also affects the kidneys. Limit alcohol intake if possible. Stop alcohol intake as its content has been proven to affect our bodies in a negative way. Explore stress-reducing activities. Manage diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart diseases. There are those whose kidneys have already been diseased but are not completely damaged. There are food products that you can take to help in repair of the kidneys. As against what has been known for decades that kidneys cannot repair, a 2019 and 2014 research has confirmed that kidneys in a healthy adult do repair and remodel itself all through adulthood. And so for persons whose kidneys are diseased but are not completely damaged, there are foods that you can eat that will aid repair of those kidneys. And these are the foods that you can eat to aid repair of those kidneys. One of such food is cabbage. The second one is pepper. The third is cauliflower. The fourth is blueberries. The fifth is egg white. Sixth is garlic. Seventh, fish. Eighth, red grapes. 9, olive oil. These foods are all low potassium foods which aids in the repair of kidneys. Next, we'll talk on DASH diet as a way of controlling and preventing hypertension and heart diseases. And more so, it could also help in controlling diabetes. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe to this channel for more health tips.